Danielle Grant in with us this morning. And Danielle, we do expect potentially some changes, maybe a little bit of rain. We saw a beautiful sunrise earlier.
Oh, we certainly did. Scattered showers, thunderstorms definitely on the way for us later this afternoon, but it's been a beautiful start to the morning here in the Mile High City and up through the high country. A little jealous of folks waking up out there in Vail. Just picturesque. I love that shot as we are still looking at dry skies statewide. That all changes, however, later this afternoon. We'll be watching a better chance for some storms. Temps sitting in the 60s. This afternoon, if you are heading up there doing some hiking, tomorrow even cooler in the 50s, and it will be a soggier day, so just kind of keep that in mind. We have a stationary front draped across much of the Front Range, and that is going to allow us to see another round of storms very similar to what we saw yesterday. 78, so temperatures still running slightly below our average by about 10 degrees or so. This is really nice weather, especially for the month of August. It will be a bit warmer down there across southeastern Colorado with some upper 80s to low 90s, just because those storms are going to take their time making it into your backyard. Low 80s in Steamboat and about 85 in Grand Junction. So a nice little cool off for our friends out to the western slope. Scattered thunderstorms likely not only this afternoon, but potentially continuing through this evening. I'll go through the timing with you, but it looks like some pretty decent sleeping weather. Tonight, numbers falling into the 50s for us for most of eastern Colorado with some 40s and 50s up into the high country. And then here's the futurecast again. 10 a.m. cloudy skies out to the west. Well, we have some sunshine here in Denver, but it doesn't last long. After about the lunch hour, the clouds will start pushing back in with that northwesterly to southeasterly flow. 6 p.m. that's when we'll have that bullseye of trouble right here in the Denver area, and then those storms move off to the south. By about 11 o'clock or so, we still be monitoring the chance for some scattered rain showers that will continue throughout the overnight hours into early tomorrow morning. So a couple of sprinkles to wake up to. Mostly cloudy skies up and down I-25 with some heavier pockets of rain off to the eastern side of the state. A little lull midday, and then here we go again. By about 4 o'clock, we'll be watching those storms racing back in here to the city. Tomorrow doesn't look like we'll have a chance for seeing too many severe storms out there, just general garden variety storms, which, hey, we can handle, right? Temps tomorrow a little cooler than today. We'll stay in the 70s up and down the urban corridor with some 60s in Burlington over to Lyman, 60s in Leadville with more 70s around Steamboat, south toward Eagle and through Aspen. Looking at the super 7-day forecast, rain certainly going to be a possibility for us heading into tomorrow evening, yet again like what we're expecting today. And then the storms are with us pretty much each and every afternoon as temperatures slowly climb back to the upper 70s, low 80s, and so far it looks like a beautiful next weekend to come.